Getting into shape. Skill 5, you know you're alive. Area of common shapes. Now hopefully you've seen a lot of these before, but these are the common shapes that we'll be dealing with. Units of area apply to finding how much space fits inside a flat shape. Units of area are always two-dimensional, so you need to write your units to the power of 2, as we spoke about in Skill 1. For a square, the formula that we'll use is area equals length squared. For a rectangle, we'll use area equals length times width. For a triangle, we'll use area equals 0.5 times the base times the height. The base is at the bottom and the height is a vertical line that forms a right angle with the base. For a circle, we'll use the formula pi times r squared. You'll notice that there's no diameter length in an area for a circle formula. It's really important not to confuse the circumference of a circle formulas with the area of a circle formula. The radius, as we spoke about, only goes halfway across the circle, not the full way. For a parallelogram, the area equals base times height. The base is at the bottom and the height forms a right angle with the base. And for a trapezium, the area is 0.5 times length A plus length B, which is the top and the bottom, inside brackets, and then multiplied by H, which is a vertical line that goes in between A and B, forming a right angle. Here are 4 examples of how to find the area of a common shape. There's 4 steps to do. Step 1, identify the shape. Step 2, write the formula down. Step 3, substitute the important values into the formula. Step 4, calculate the answer with units squared. The first example here is a parallelogram, where you need to use the formula area equals base times height. So that's 12 times 5. 5 is the height. We don't need to use the 7 because that's not a vertical height and it doesn't form a right angle with the 12 on the base. So 12 times 5 gives 60 meters squared. Another example is here with a trapezium. We use area equals 0.5 times A plus B times H. A is 6 and B is 14.5, so they go in the brackets. The vertical height is 8.3, so that goes on the end. We put that in the calculator and we get 85.08 meters squared. Our example up in the top right is a circle. First example using a circle. We use the formula A equals pi r squared. Area equals pi times 7.4 squared. 7.4 is our radius and the answer is 172.03 centimeters squared. In our last example with a circle, we've got a bit of a problem because 22 millimeters is actually the diameter because it's going all the way across the circle, but our formula wants the radius. The diameter equals 22 meters, then the radius equals 11 meters. We need to halve that value. So, area equals pi times 11 squared, which gives 380.13 millimeters squared. Don't forget that all area units need to have the squared symbol at the end. And we're done. Splash!